So this is the first job that we have, which is for first incident responder, I guess. So by guys, right now in UAE there's a lot of job openings for the cybersecurity folks. One of my friend is also going to Dubai. Okay, so there's a lot of openings. Even government is paying a very high amount to the people, those who are willing to get a job in Dubai, right? So you can go for it. Position is junior IT executive to join the IT team, whatever they are having. It's in UAE. Company name is First Response. Okay, this is the company name where you can apply for the job. They want minimum 1 to 2 years of experience in IT support. They want a strong knowledge of hardware, software, networking, and this is kind of like ये तो सबको आती है, so anyone can join. This is mail ID career ID at firstresponse.ae where you can drop your resume if you feel like you're fit. So guys, in this video today I'm going to share you a very good opportunity if you want to work with Maharashtra Cyber Cell. Okay, if you want to work with the Maharashtra police, I'll send you something as well. First, let's move to the next job opening. So this is the junior security analyst job role, which is for fresher. For sure, it's in Pune. It's for fresher, and the thing they can pay is like for the first 5 months, they is going to pay you 5,000 to 10,000 rupees INR per month. Okay, these are the job roles you need to do, and this is most into associate type of thing. So you need to monitor the alerts, whatever they are having, right? You need to configure SIM, Wazoo, Zavex, OpenCTI, OTRS, DLP, IMAP, whatever things you can check out here and you can apply accordingly, right? They want someone with a bachelor degree, bachelor knowledge, IDS, IPS knowledge, all the basics of networking. This is required. Okay, that's what you can do. And if you want to apply, you can drop a mail to recruit@edisys.in and in subject line just mention application for junior security analyst dash freshers. This is what you can do. This is what they are going to offer you as well. Now let's move to the next job opening that we have is for junior associate specialist. Again, there's a lot of companies who are looking for associate analyst. So this is what you can apply for. 0 to 1 years of experience it's required. This is 1 year contract period. Like in 1 year you can't leave this company. Okay, it's in Singapore. By Challenge of Singapore, they're going to pay you a lot. So you need to handle the SOC platform, whatever they are having, SOC system. Okay, you need to handle of the alarms and monitoring system. And this is mail ID sandhya@aryansolutions.com, right? So like it kind of, I guess this is kind of the company is having contract with someone else, so they need to send their employees to Singapore. Okay, so this is what I feel. Now next job opening is a network engineer, which is in Chennai, Trivandrum. I guess it's in Chennai if I'm not wrong. So they want someone with a good speaking skills with ARP, MAC, IP, IPv4, IPv6, ICMP, TCP, UDP, subnetting, basic routing, and all those knowledge is important. DNS, DSCP is important. Okay, and those who can work 24 into 7. 1 to 2 years of experience is required, and notice period 30 days. So that's what you can apply. They have not provided the mail ID, but this is the contact number. Just drop your resume on the WhatsApp number if you want to apply for this position. भाई जिसको job नहीं लगा डाल दो resume. Tell for this position I would like to apply as a network engineer. Knowledge है, this was a good point. Don't call him. He has strictly said to not call in his number. So do accordingly. Next is Systech Labs. So they are looking for cybersecurity interns. I don't know it's paid or unpaid. Okay, I don't know it's paid or unpaid. So just look accordingly. Okay, I can't guarantee they're going to pay or not. I don't have any idea. This is the contact detail and this is the website URL. You can check out the website and accordingly you can contact him or WhatsApp. So next is again Singapore में है भाई. अच्छा ये तो same है, sorry. Next is hiring for associate analyst, permanent position, 1 to 2 years of experience is required, immediate joining. It's in India, Hyderabad location. CrowdStrike, Splunk, MS, Azure defined web application security knowledge is important. Mail ID is pretty.gupta@weltris.com. महाराष्ट्र पुलिस में किसी को काम करना है. Okay, Maharashtra government is hiring. So let me show you from where I got to know about this opening. So guys, on Instagram, if you go to the page of Mahacyber, अच्छा मैंने follow नहीं कर रखा. They just got 1 more followers. So guys, that's what you can do. This is the post which was dropped by Maharashtra Cyber Cell. So about him, भाई सब उनको what sets apart. Okay, What project on which you are going to work, command and control, C2C server, technology assist, TAI. Okay, so there's a lot of openings if you want to get into cybersecurity. If you want to work as a cyber crime investigator, you can work. CERT MH is also where you can work. SOC, COE. Okay, that's what you can do. The other couple of positions, that's what they're looking for, right? Okay, so uh, check out this thing, guys. Uh, what are things they are looking for? Okay, they are looking for cybersecurity L1, 6 month and above experience. इतना ना pay कर सकते हैं. They can pay you around 60,000 per month, 60,000 to 1 lakh. L2 के लिए 70,000 to 1,20,000. L3 के लिए 1 lakh to 1,50,000. Okay, so there are a couple of experience which is required. 6 months of experience which is required for L1, and there's a lot of things you can apply for, right? So cybersecurity training is also there. So just do accordingly. And yes, now how to apply? Let me check if they have dropped any of the URL. Roles and responsibilities, these are the roles that is required. Preferred qualification, candidate who has graduated from premier institutes such as IIT, NFSU and other reputations. Bhagwan has their recognition criteria as well. Whatever. Okay, so just do accordingly. And this is the mail ID. There is a mail ID which was mentioned. So, it. So what you gonna, so this is a form. Okay, this is the application form from where you can apply, and just deadline is 5th March 2025. So just do it before that. And there are a couple of more things why you need to join. Okay, check out this form and accordingly you can apply, right? Terms and conditions, this is the whatever. So this is from where you can apply, right? So guys, that's all for today. If you have any questions, please drop in the chat box. Accordingly I can answer. Thank you very much.